Great morning, my friends. How are you today? My name is Neo Rayos. It's time to rise up, champions. Great morning, great morning. It's been a while. Well, it's been a long while since last tayo nag-vlog, and since the last time that we shared a video here. And right now, I'm going to face the sun. Right now, if you'll read in this description, you know, life, it gives us challenges. You won't believe it, but right now I'm in the middle of one. May challenge tayong kinakaharap, but as the saying goes, we have a choice. God, the Lord, has given us one of the greatest gift of all, and it's the power of will. The will, and this has given us a choice. So when life handles you a challenge, you have a choice. Either you break down and sulk in your emotions. You will drown in your emotions. Or you will rise up, declare that you are His powerful champion, and achieve your breakthrough. Diba? Good morning, Francis. How are you today, my friend? So there. So, if life gives you challenges, you just have to rise up. Sure, kailangan mong tanggapin the emotions because that's part of who we are. We are people, tao tayo. And we have to acknowledge the emotion because Psychology 101 says na hindi naman tama na we will just brush off, set aside the emotion that we're feeling. But after that, sabi nga nila, there's a time for mourning and then there's a time for you to look towards morning. So right now, what I'm telling you is this: you have a choice. When life gives you challenges, it's either you rise up and achieve your breakthrough. Now, what are the reasons bakit hindi tayo maka-rise up? Why can't we rise up? And I'm using this handle, Rise Up Champions, because moving forward, you'll understand why. I'll explain to you in the coming days. But right now, our call. Good morning, Sir Maki. Our invitation for you right now is for you to rise up. Declare that you are God's powerful champion and you rise up. I have this mantra that pretty much I've discovered. I won't say I developed, but I discovered when I was researching what is really my purpose. What is my purpose in life? What am I doing? Why am I doing what I'm doing? So when I started that journey on discovering my why, so this is what I learned. Why I'm doing what I'm doing? Because as my name implies, yung pala yun before I forget, you have for you to understand your purpose. Dito tayo sa medyo lilim. For you to understand your purpose, you have to research the meaning of your name. You know, yung pangalan natin, our names, they tell us something. They tell us who we are. In fact, my name, my real name, my full name is Ireneo Alejandro de Castro Rayos. And if you'll check the meaning, Ireneo came from Irene, which means peace. Alejandro is from Alexander, which means the defender of man. De Castro means a castle or a fortress. Rayos, rays of the sun, just like this one. And rays of the sun, that's a beacon of light or a symbol of hope. Para ako si Superman, di ba? So, if we'll put together that meaning, my name, Ireneo Alejandro de Castro Rayos, it means I am a peaceful defender. Oh wow, peaceful defender, a fortress, and a beacon of light. Whoa! So I need to shine my light to men. That's why ginagawa ko pala to unconsciously. So my invitation for you right now is go to your favorite Google or browser, then your search engine, then research the meaning of your name, because it will tell you a lot. Mine, I've learned it a few years ago. Okay lang. And now I'm happy that I am doing what I'm doing right now. And there's a sense of purpose. So my purpose is to okay, with that, I crafted my purpose in life. This is my purpose. Bakit Rise Up Champion? Hello, Sir Doming. Great morning, sir. Bakit rise up champion? Because, listen to this. Wait for this, huh? I rise up every day to inspire, serve, and empower people to unlock their full potential and live the life of a powerful champion. Diba? Champions of courage and compassion, champions of humility, champions of authenticity, champions with a mentoring mind, champions of perseverance, champions of integrity, champions of openness, champions with a nurturing heart, and champions with the servant leader's attitude. So you got the operative word? Pag ilalatag mo yan, it spells rise up champion. I rise up every day, that's R. To inspire, that's I. Serve, that's S. And empower people, that's E, that's rise. So that they can, to unlock their full potential, that's U. Potential is P. So rise up every day to live the life of God's powerful champion. And champion is spelled as C, courage and compassion, H, humility, A, authenticity, M, mentoring mind, P, perseverance, I, integrity, O, openness, N, nurturing heart, S, a servant leader's attitude. So my invitation right now is, if life gives you challenges, diba? Okay, there are nuts and bolts in your life, it gives you challenges, it's okay. It's okay for you to acknowledge your emotions, but after that, acknowledge them quickly, and after that, you are called to rise up. You are called to rise up and face your future ahead, because whatever it is that life's giving you, kung ano man niya akala mo, binlock ako, na-fail ako, nireject ako, it's God's redirection. And right now, I would say I am being redirected to something better. Ayokong bitawan yung isa, pero siya rin gumawa ng paraan. Alright? So, nag-gets nyo? So, yeah. So, of course, the first thing that I need to do after sulking in that emotion is to rise up, get moving, get your energy pumping. Emotion, it's energy in motion. You have to be in motion so that your energy will be pumping, and then you'll be in a positive state. Once you are in your positive state, mawawala yung mga naiisip mong negative, you are in your positive state, you are in your peak state. That's why I ran. Oh no, I walk lang pala. Wag mo nang tatakbo. Tomorrow na yung takbo. Once you achieve your peak state, and then you will think better, you will move better, and then creative thoughts, ideas will come into your mind, and you'll start building your future. All right? So, my invitation for you is, whatever it is that you're facing right now, you just have to accept that, rise up to the challenge, and remember that you're God's powerful champion. Well, that's it for now. Nagets niyo here. My famous line. Nagets nyo? So, thank you so much for watching. Abangan nyo. Just wait for that. We're going to do something in the next couple of days, and we are all going to rise up and achieve God's victory, His victory through our lives, so that together we can be we can be a rich and powerful blessing for everyone. That's it for now. God bless you always. My name is Neo Rayos. Please like and share this video to your friends. Someone might be needing this message right now. So if you're listening to this and you can relate, that's my invitation for you. Let's rise up together as God's powerful champion and achieve His plans for us. God bless you, my friends. Bye-bye. See you around. Ciao. Wee. Look, ang ganda. Diba? This is in Cavite. Oh, that's my wife. Hi, my wife. So, diba? All right. God bless everyone. See you around. Bye-bye.